In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Selenium IDE on Firefox step by step so you can start creating automation tests quickly and easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. This is the button with the 3 horizontal lines. Clicking that opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access browser settings and add-ons. From the menu, click Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Firefox Add-Ons Manager, where you can browse, install, and manage browser extensions. On the left side or in the menu area, click Extensions to make sure you're in the correct section for add-ons. Now use the search bar and type Selenium IDE. As you type, Firefox will show matching results related to the extension you need. Look for Selenium IDE in the search results and click on it to open the extension page. On the Selenium IDE page, you'll see the option to add it to Firefox. Click Add to Firefox. Firefox will now ask for confirmation and may show you the permissions the extension needs. This is completely normal because Selenium IDE needs access to work with your browser for test automation. Review the prompt, and if everything looks correct, click Add. Firefox will begin installing the extension right away. After a few moments, Selenium IDE should be added successfully, and you may see a confirmation message letting you know the installation is complete. Once installed, you can open Selenium IDE from your extensions or toolbar and start recording and running automated tests in Firefox. If you don't see it immediately, check the extensions area in the browser and pin it if needed for easier access. And that's it. Selenium IDE is now installed on Firefox. You're ready to begin using it for web automation, test recording, and simple browser testing workflows. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.